Hello friends! In this lesson we will add functionality to place mines in random cells. First, at the very beginning of index.js file, let's write the function to initialize the game board. It should receive reference to the board element, border width, height, and bombs count. Move all our functions into it. Add const with bombs count. And call our new function. Now, all should work as before. We need to save information about visual structure into a variable. So find for each method of field data, replace it with map, and save the result into a variable. Go to create row function and update it too. Move the line with append the row to the board up. It shouldn't be after return. Let's replace for each with map method and return the result. Also add the return statement to the create cell function. And now we are ready to add initBombs function. It doesn't really need any inputs. We will use variables initialized inside wrapper function. We don't really need to pass board variable into createRow function, so you can delete it by yourself. Add a bombs counter. We need to update it, so use let instead of const here. Let's add the while loop with the following condition. Now we need to get random coordinates inside our field. Let's use the result of the mathRandom method multiplied by width for x. We also need to round it down. And the same for y. Now let's check if the cell is empty by comparing it with 0. If so, let's change its value to -1. Add a bomb class to our visual element. And don't forget to reduce the counter. The function can go to infinite loop if total bombs count is too big. You can add some checks to prevent it. So let's add initBombs call after initialization of visual structure. It should work now, but we don't really see anything new. So let's add style for the bomb class. Open style CSS and add outline to bombs to visualize them. We will remove it in the future. And now we can see the cells with the bombs in random places. It is definitely time to stop. Like, subscribe and see you in the next video. Cheers!